morning, traders. This is Alla Peters on November 20th. This morning I woke up to incredible email from one of the students that I will show you at the end of this video. That reminds me every morning how blessed I am this beautiful holiday season to share my knowledge of the price in Fibonacci with students who understand extremely well that being stuck in indicator hell, being lost in the markets is not a recipe for success. Knowledge of price action is. This is a historical week in the markets, traders. If this morning we're not seeing spectacular bullish rally, and by the end of the next week we're not seeing markets rallying, this sell-off is a whole lot worse than '08. This is your day trading chart with proprietary Fibonacci tools that you can install on any platform and any instrument you choose that show you market sold off from key Fibonacci resistance from the end of the minor trend in the previous week. And it did so yesterday, previous Monday. Market rallied from Fibonacci reversal zone as expected last week. Yesterday the market closed, market did not rally. Market staged only corrections. This is a last stopping ground, traders, as you will see next. This is a chart you can convert to any chart you use, such as 5. Take a look. Here is 5. This is market open this morning. Horrific bullish correction, no bullish rally. As price reminding you, buyers remain extremely weak. Massive bullish corrections in a play. And this is why. Let's walk down memory lane on S&P so you can understand how important and historical these events are. This is monthly chart that's been present in the trading room since 2011 that reached Fibonacci reversal zone and been stuck in correction 2014, 2015, 2016. This price showing you very clearly 1800 is key support. Do not short. 1800 trend inception on weekly. 2016 bullish rally stepped in from trend inception at 1800 and reached key Fibonacci resistance, showing you if this resistance is out, price will skyrocket to 2300 and 2500 next. This chart is identical to what played out in day trading room this week. As price had done this next on weekly, respected this as key resistance, market in pain. This is your investment decisions. Market selling off and showing you very clearly on the election night, if 1950 is respected, buyers will step in. But take a look on this chart. If I remove the name, this is a chart on weekly 2016, and this is day trading chart this week. The chart are twins. Market sold off from the end of the minor trend the entire previous week and this morning on Monday. Buyers are weak. Identical strategy, identical Fibonacci levels. What is the difference? You're using this chart, you're holding position for minutes, maximum hours. You're using this chart. This is your investment decisions. On the election night, buyers stepped in with vengeance and skyrocketed until 2300. Price had not done so. Price yesterday taking only a pause, no bullish rally. Bullish rallies played out all the previous week. This is last stopping ground this morning. Take a look why today and this week is so crucial on S&P. When price comes to reversal zone, no matter what chart you trade, price reverses, as it's done previous week and as it's done time and time again on S&P weekly, reaching this key reversal zone at the start this year, heading higher and higher. This is the start of 2018. Anyone surprised market selling off? I'm exiting my positions. What a brutal sell-off that was. It was absolutely expected. If you browse my YouTube channel this entire year, you know so extremely well. As I said, 2500 is life support. As we're discussing with students in mastery course every day, this formation is million times worse than '08. What happens next is no surprise. Buyers step in. Crawl is on. Market is asleep this entire year. And what do I say next? Market remains in pain. Crawl is on. 2500 respected this entire year. It remains key support. This is what played out in the markets in the last 2 weeks. This is what I said long time ago. The support is out, market in free fall to 2300, 2200 and all the way to 1800. One step at a time. What is the most important level on S&P right now? This key support. This is what we're watching very, very carefully this morning. If market is not rallying, this is the first time since the start of this year this support will be broken. Ouch. This is where market rallied from time and time again. The entire spring, April this year, this October, not the place to short. And if buyers stepping in right now, it's a gift. And if it's not, it's a big, big ouch. In addition to trend inception on daily chart, this is ultimate support on institutional chart. Boom. This is the most crucial formation that's been present in the trading room for months. Pretty please browse YouTube channel. 2600 is out, 2500 next, 2500 out, 2300 to follow. So, this is S&P. No surprise. Where sell-off came from. Institutional reversal zone. Present in the room for years. Shock or not. When price comes to reversal zone on monthly, you're absolutely expecting this reversal. You are not surprised. No matter how good the earnings are, let me remind you, what's playing out on Apple, what's playing out on Amazon, what's playing out on Netflix. Breathtaking sell-off as expected, despite stunning earnings. Here's a reminder. This was Apple at reversal zone in 2016. As posted on all the social forums, as presented at hedge fund events, I don't care how spectacular or horrific the news are, price comes to reversal zone, it will sell off. What was the key support on Apple? 93. Apple comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Key support respected. This is what Apple had done this year. Doubled from key support until key resistance. 181 was a war zone for many, many months on Apple. What did Apple do next? Skyrocketed to 194. Skyrocketed to 214. Because after the earnings, this spring key support was respected as expected. This was key support lifeline on Apple this year. Apple respected and rallied higher. No surprise. 181 is out. What does Apple do? Reaches next level. 195, just like 2300 on S&P. What does Apple do next? My goodness. Key resistance in a play. In the course you learned that this is your key target. 216 next. Anyone surprised? Apple frozen in correction for months? My goodness, it's a reversal zone. That's what price does. Freezes in correction and then collapses completely. Shock or not? How is it possible? Apple earnings are so fantastic, are so spectacular. Why is Apple selling off? Because Fibonacci said so. Nothing else matters. This is what Apple finally does next. Oh, my goodness! 181 lifeline on Apple. Exact same 181 that was key resistance at the start of 2018. This morning is key support. Last stopping ground on Apple. Do you want to buy on earnings? Or do you want to be a knowledgeable price action and Fibonacci trader? Choice is yours. Poor Apple. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. From 232, 179. This is not the place to short Apple. Key resistance becoming key support. There is no bullish rally on Apple in this area. My goodness, it's a big, big ouch. 158 is next. All present in front of you for years. No surprise. Reversal zone, not the place to buy. Here's another reminder. Netflix. Let's take a look. This is Netflix in the month of October, before earnings. This is Netflix on October 18th. This is Netflix reminding you. Earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. 397 key resistance in a play at the time of the earnings. Netflix selling off. Netflix added 7 million subscribers and Netflix selling off $140 per share. 3 days after spectacular earnings. Is that possible? Of course. Sell-off in a progress. Shock or not, as expected. What happens on the last day of October is what expected. Buyers step in. Netflix reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Shock or not. Netflix rallying, what is the problem? 315. Key support becoming key resistance. Shock or not. Anyone surprised? Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Nothing else matters. What I share with you in the course is more than 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci. This is what Netflix doing today. My goodness. Do you want to buy on the news? What happens to the accounts that did so? Netflix and Apple. Ouch. Netflix collapsed from 400 plus until 254. Ouch. 150 plus collapse. Shock or not. This rally was worthless. And if you've taken first class, you know extremely why it failed. You're not surprised. All exactly same thing. Most important rule in the play, Netflix sold off. Shall we look on more? Here's another beautiful reminder. Poor Facebook. This is Facebook this year. Frozen at Fibonacci reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. This is what Facebook does next. Scandals continue erupting on Facebook, and my goodness. Facebook crawling up very slowly. Price reminding you, it's a reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. This is what price does next. As Netflix starts selling off. Shock or not. And as I said, 145 is out. Facebook in free fall. It's lifeline on Facebook. This is what Facebook had done next. And where it is today, we're not surprised. Facebook sitting this morning at key support, reached as expected. And that's the power of Fibonacci, and that's the power of knowledge. Here's one more. So ladies and gentlemen, let's walk down memory lane on oil. This is oil from the trading room from 2016, showing you this is trend inception, this is trend reversal on oil, not the place to short, the place to monitor for bullish reversal, which again, exact same place where S&P is this morning. This is what oil had done next. Boom. Shock or not. Oil rallied as expected after dancing in massive correction for a while. This is what oil had followed next. Oil skyrocketed through key Fibonacci resistance 55 and reached key Fibonacci target 64. Oil froze at this key target for months. This is what oil had done next. As you can see very clearly, word reversal zone in front of you. Oil remains frozen and finally months later reaches reversal zone and starts selling off. What do I say? 64 is key support. The entire spring oil coming out with incredibly bearish news does not mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. Key support respected for months. When this key support is out, my goodness, this is what plays out next. Oil heading to 55. No surprise. This is oil now. As I said weeks ago, 55 is out, 15 eggs, with 40 to follow. Ouch. And just to remind you, this was oil in 2016 at trend inception. This is S&P right now. This is where buyers stepped in from an S&P last week. This is last stopping ground. Exact same place where oil rallied from. If I convert this chart to 1, is this the bullish rally we've been waiting for? Let's certainly hope so. This is a chop on S&P this morning. Bullish corrections only. No bullish rally yet. And if no bullish rally is present, it's a big, big ouch. And here's the reason I live and breathe what I do. Here's the reason my students who are making a serious effort becoming my dearest friend for life. So, this is Brad's statement. Brad is having incredible holidays. Brad finished basic group mastery course and doing advanced method. You can see Brad's previous account statement on the website. You can see Brad's beautiful family pictures as it shows you every time. Trading account is just cherry on top. Stunning, incredible family. Brad plays by the rules. Brad done his due diligence. Brad chose his partner carefully. He lives incredible personal life and he chooses his partner very, very carefully every single day in trading. What a stunning, beautiful story. He knows what matters. Incredible discipline in personal life transfers into incredible discipline in trading account. Shock or not. Can you do this in 1 month? From less than 1,000 to 14,000? Shock or not. Brad knows extremely well that this is not the place to short. This is a place to monitor for reversal. And if we see spectacular bullish rally, it's a very good news. So here we go, traders. Key moment on S&P. So again, we knew extremely well this morning that market dancing at key institutional support cannot short. So again, ladies and gentlemen, as we discussed since market open, boom, we only were interested in bullish rally. What do we know? That this is war zone. This is where trader takes profits off the table and moving his stop outside of break even. Boom. Clear on that? That's what we've been waiting for very, very patiently this morning. And if right now price collapses completely, no one is surprised. It will be a gift. Key target is reached. Tom, please ask me questions in classes. I have no idea what that means, to be honest. So please save that for tomorrow morning class. And let's review, or send me a screenshot with question. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute chart reached reversal zone. My goodness, like apple, like oil. It's all the same. Knowledgeable trader right now adjusts his trail outside of reversal zone. Knowledge is power. And if price collapses completely, it will be a gift, which means better trading opportunities will be present. My goodness, is it possible price collapsing? Ah, of course. As expected. What is a key support? 26.56. Do you remember S&P on monthly? 1800 number? It's all the same. Key support was respected on S&P monthly. Will it be respected on S&P 1-minute chart? Exact same level. Do you remember this as key support on oil? 64. When oil finally, after respecting this support most of 2018, which was key resistance, crashed through. My goodness. Finally. It's all the same. Knowledgeable trader knows it's a gift. The price collapses completely, and if it collapses all the way down to institutional support, knowledgeable trader will be monitoring for long again. What a gift. Get out of indicator hell into price action heaven. And if you have a couple of years on your hands, you may develop your own method. And if not, I look forward to working with you. It never gets old, I promise. Just like Apple, just like Netflix, just like oil, just like Facebook. It's all the same. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. From day trading reversal zone, as we knew, this will be war zone. Present in front of you for weeks. Shock or not. So pretty please review YouTube channel, join 2500 subscribers, watch thousands of videos. And if you decided to get out of indicator hell into price action heaven, I look forward to working with you. Please review the information on the website under courses, identify the course that's appropriate for you, and never hesitate to contact me. You can sign up any day, anytime. The moment you sign up, you can start reviewing videos. And if you decide to join private mentoring, all group courses included, but pretty please speak with me first. Any questions after you review the information on the website, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And if you want to trade like bread, this is a beautiful, beautiful reminder. Brad was doing already extremely well before he decided to join and do more. There is no limit to how much I can teach you. What you want to do with that knowledge, what you want to trade is your choice. Knowledge is power.